What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up brother MFC 9465CDN printer or download and install drivers. So first of all, open browser and search here printer. Now click on official website. Now here you can select your window and then click on OK. Now click on printer driver. Now here you can download your printer driver. Now here you can install your printer driver. Now here you can see my printer driver will be installed. Now go back and open settings and click on printer driver. Now click on add device and then click on add manually. Now follow these steps for add your printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.